Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're looking at a 36-foot Sea Ray Sundancer. It's a 2003 model, and it's in beautiful conditions. It's been very, very well maintained. Lots of upgrades been done to it, but the maintenance on it has been impeccable. Lots of records to show that it's been maintained. Nice, clean boat. We're doing our signature walk-around video of this boat. It's a Canadian boat located in Point Roberts, Washington, available to Canadian buyers, available to Americans, but you got to give me a call about it. It's a 36 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's a ton of boat for what it is. Has a newer dinghy package. The inflatable dinghy is a 2018, and the Mercury 99 outboard is I believe it's a 2024 with virtually no time on it, on a Olsen dinghy davit system, which is super unique because when you're backed up to the dock, you can lower the whole stainless davit system into the water. It goes below the swim grid, so you can back up right to the dock without your dinghy there, so you can still be stern tied with easy access and lots of entertaining. It's a 36-foot Sea Ray Sundancer, 2003, in beautiful condition, available for sale today. Give me a call. I'm Philip, 604-708-1980, or on the web, pacificcoastyachtsales.com. 30 years in business, bonded and licensed in Washington State, and certified brokers in British Columbia. This is the finest 36 Sea Ray available today in great condition. We're just finishing off our outside walk around video. Please watch the rest of our videos, as this is what sells boats today. Again, thanks for watching.